Also sumi ye ding. Is Glen your spiritual father? Kwesi Arthur me say mama na papa no bomba egu na chi o ma cookie akola no spiritually a o te ne kasa be fa o tuna obekọ ko tie ne biu. My brother, music is spirit. O spirit ni anu mbre. Your spirit is kebab spirit. It's lost air chichenga. Yere. So if you're not blowing, now your fault. Laled on the second half. Laled they means me can want some money because as someone Laled they come and say, yeah, my Laled na uska. Laled uja uska. Laled jaisa. And yes, as me Laled yes as me baby sing na baby sa Laled minimum history. Laled who you fine boy uska. Laled who Laled opa who you gangster. Don't do that. Interview na koye Laled me job because you a gangster be a bad man. Sa page you ya blow you and one you sa cause ne koye reference also say hey and so Laled I could not okasa no or rapise smoke. Laled do say Laled appreciate greatness. Men go follow be mistake wa kwa koye wu. And nam Kwesi Arthur so ntina munya fa so be bramba munya so. Inka Kwesi Arthur contract ke kon kan na koye ne so ya. Me do nya me se ka kebab boy to say wo your friend say twitch ka wo voice no ka link be bo. Wo de open feature the whole world enko. Opa yan ko fa Chris Brown bra Ghana ha. Yan ko fa ne yo nka ho. Yan ko fa Sierra nka ho. Yan ko fa Beyonce nka ho. Ye do part na be skip it. Me say Emma 5 for the tea onion but man kwala na ji usunsun wo tema ho. You are the most promising R&B artist in Ghana. Once no usunsun ne wo den ending drone bi when dia mokode di bi na ya boys na chiwo anyo nyama to and not to show the one aye interview na ko show the malam. Ko show the malam. Ko show the spiritual father. Let me find ko show the spiritual father. When Jimmy rough, instead of you to go and see Malam and go and see spiritual father and pray for yourself, now money nam interviews. Now money nam interviews and who here. When Jimmy you and I'm telling one I'm talker. Jimmy me. When Jimmy you. But man, instead of you to go and see the Malam and ask the Malam say, why me alone and no blue? Kwesi Arthur can blow, Kofi Moli can blow, me alone and no blue. And then Laled one them sa shrine Laled course no. But I must say Glen aye Glen. If you should find Glen blow mobile bond to Bekasa. Grand Up was a movement. A big movement in